Oh, SNC, it's a huge company. It's a great company. A lot of opportunities to grow and make you a better person.
I didn't know nothing about machining. I was mentored by my supervisor. He kind of lead me into it. He said, don't worry too much about new things. If you have questions, just ask me. If you don't know how to do it, just come and get me. And those things motivate me to learn.
I have been working for SNC as 8 months. When I came here, I don't know anything. So they sent me to here and I learned from the team member. So I asked them, they teach me how to do it.
Well, SNC helped me to improve my skills. They help you a lot to learn the machines, to learn how to run those parts, to inspect those parts, to have a good quality parts for the final product.
SNC has a program called Work Element, when team members can have the opportunity to learn the equipment, get certified in the equipment.
I can operate 15 machines of the 16 available on SNC.
I have already been certified in different machines, and when the program is started, they give me credit for those certifications that I had before. So that make my rate and weight go a little higher.
Well, the culture in SNC is really good. The team lead is always around in case you need support. They're always here for you. You have to ask.
The atmosphere in my team is excellent. We work together and we resolve issues together. And if they have any problems or concerns, they come to us and we help them out and we resolve things as a team.
I like to make quality parts. I would like to be part of the quality final product.
I make myself proud and I make the company proud by making quality parts that can make our customers happy and get satisfied by the products that I make.